Hi guys, today I'm going to show you my my pardini. Okay, obviously this is a sport pistol, uh, 22. So that's the case. Pistol, 2 magazines. This is the little toolkit. Some tools, and I do purchase quite a few spares for the pistol. Okay, now let's put this aside. This is the pistol. Okay, so I've done some modification to it. I didn't buy a ring grip, but instead I modify this grip. I put some denture lining materials that use your work. It's quite nice. It molds around my hand. It's cold cure methacrylate, so it doesn't burn my hand when you cure it. So it's quite nice. So this is the gun. She's beautiful. I should probably clean the gun a little bit more, but she shoots just fine. Obviously, it's almost 10 years old. This pistol, I bought it for my coach. Very nice pistol. This is the rapid fire version. I think it has the tungsten weight, and the bolt has been lightened, but I can't really tell the difference. That's the rear side. The trigger is very nice. It's very nice. It's very fancy too. I have set up to how I like it. Okay. The magazines here. One thing interesting about this pardini, okay, is the extractor is actually on the magazine. So that's actually the extractor. So if you don't put the magazine in, you can't actually extract the brass. Maybe that's the extractor and this is the ejector. Okay. The trigger is 3D, so you can adjust it to however you would like it to be. So in my case, it's going that way. Beautiful gun. Okay, I also have a fez. They're both quite nice. Yeah, I think I like the pardini better. It's heavier. It just shoots better. Okay, thanks for watching.